POCO M2 Pro is back in the news with a new hashtag, Feel the Surge. So in this video we are going to talk about POCO M2 Pro, all its confirmed specification, features and all. We are not going to discuss about leaks and rumors in this video. So everything you watch in this video are sure to come in POCO M2 Pro. So starting with the display of POCO M2 Pro will be a IPS screen. If you were thinking that POCO will give you AMOLED, it's time for you to get disappointed. Now talking about the launch date of the device will be launching on 7th July 12 PM sharp. And again, talking about the charging capability of the smartphone will support 33 watt of fast charging, and I do hope that the fast charger will be in the box. Fingers crossed. So these are the main details revealed by POCO itself in the Flipkart official page, but there was also a Geekbench listing where we find some more specification of the device, which I'm going to mention it right here. You can see on screen the single core and multi-core score of the POCO M2 Pro. And when we scroll a bit further, we can see the RAM will be of 6GB and the processor is Snapdragon 720 chipset. And also if we start to roll a bit down, then we can see all the performance in single core and multi-core. I'm gonna drop the link to the Geekbench listing and also to the Flipkart page of POCO M2 Pro if you want to know further more information about this gadget. And if you'd like to view all the leaks and rumors as well, then I'm gonna drop a link to a website where you can see all the leaked specification, but I'm not confirmed about how many of those are gonna be true, but it has made many of leaks and rumors, so I'm gonna add the link in the description if you want to go there and check those out. So this is all the information we currently have about POCO M2 Pro, or to say confirmed information. So this is all for today. Hope to see you in my next video. Till my next video, peace.